So it says the total area of a rectangle is 9x to the fourth plus 30x squared y plus 25y squared. Which factors could represent the length times the width? So remember, whenever we're talking about area or volume, we're always multiplying the length times width times height. So when I'm trying to separate those out to something times something, remember that something times something just means factor it out. So that's all we're doing with this, is factoring it out. And I see I have 4 terms, or 3 terms here. So whenever we see 3 terms, all we do is set up our 2 parentheses right away, and we guess and check this. So we think, and it's always easy when we have perfect squares on the front and back. So that way, we just know it's going to be perfect squares already in the square roots. Plus, you can see it on the multiple choice. So we think, though, what times what is 9x to the fourth? And I can think that's 3x squared times 3x squared. And then I also think, well, now working on the back, what times what is 25y squared? That's going to be 5y times 5y. And if I want, so these both have to be the same signs, and then it's plus in the middle, I'll put a plus in the inside. So we know the first and the back, they multiply to make those, but it's always important to check the middle and the inside and the outside. So make sure that the inside and the outside add up to 30. So inside I have 15x squared y, and the outside I also have 3 times 5 is 15, and I have an x squared and a y. So that adds up to 30 x squared y, which was the middle term in our original problem. So this was correct factoring. So the answer is, well, we don't actually see it here, but if we rewrite this in a equivalent form, this is the same thing as 3x squared plus 5y, and since it's times itself, we can just write squared on this, which is D.